China is not only renowned for its diverse and unique cuisine, but also as the world's leading country in frog farming. With an annual consumption of approximately 1.5 million tons of frog meat, accounting for over 70% of the global supply, frog meat is not just a common ingredient in meals, but also carries significant economic and cultural importance. But have you ever wondered how farms can raise millions of frogs each year to meet this massive demand? Let's embark on a fascinating journey from tiny eggs to delectable dishes on the dining table. This is not just a story about an industry, it's a tale of ingenuity, creativity, and passion. The frog farming industry is thriving not only in China, but also spreading globally, particularly in countries like Indonesia, Brazil, and Thailand, where the tropical climate provides ideal conditions for raising these animals. However, China remains the leader, excelling not only in production, but also in consumption. Frog farms here create thousands of jobs, ranging from small family-run operations to large-scale businesses utilizing modern technology. This industry not only improves livelihoods, but also alleviates pressure on natural resources as the demand for frog meat continues to rise. Frog meat is not only delicious, but also highly beneficial for health. Packed with high protein, low fat, and rich in essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, it is the perfect choice for those seeking to combine culinary enjoyment with health-conscious eating. Interestingly, recent studies have shown that frog meat contains compounds with potential medicinal benefits, such as antimicrobial peptides. This is one of the reasons why frog meat is becoming increasingly popular worldwide, particularly in markets like France, the United States, and Singapore. Every journey begins with careful preparation. At frog farms, farmers first build and maintain clean water tanks that closely replicate natural environments. These tanks become the ideal setting for male and female frogs to mate. A single female frog can lay between 1,000 and 20,000 eggs per cycle, creating enormous production potential. These tiny eggs are fertilized and placed in shallow water tanks where the temperature is consistently maintained between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the ideal conditions for hatching. This process requires close monitoring to ensure the water remains clean and free from contamination by fungi or bacteria. Notably, many farms take advantage of this stage to sell frog eggs, generating an additional source of income. After the eggs hatch, the tadpoles, tiny creatures full of potential, enter their growth phase. Over the course of 2 to 3 weeks, they receive special care with a nutrient-rich diet consisting of algae, natural microorganisms, and processed feed. The transformation from tadpole to juvenile frog is a natural marvel. As they begin to develop legs and lose their tails, farms transfer them to larger tanks, providing ample space for them to continue growing. The young frogs are moved to large outdoor ponds or tanks, where their living conditions are carefully optimized. The water must remain clean, rich in oxygen, and maintained at a stable temperature. The diet of adult frogs consists of insects, earthworms, and protein-rich industrial feed. However, providing sufficient food is not the only challenge. Farmers must also manage their cannibalistic behavior. In frog farming, frog mortality often occurs due to water contamination, fungal infections, sudden temperature changes, or overcrowding. Farmers quietly use nets to collect the dead frogs, carefully disposing of them to prevent water contamination and protect the remaining population. It's a somber moment that highlights their perseverance and unwavering efforts. After approximately 4 to 6 months, the frogs reach a weight of 0.5 to 2.8 kilograms, making them ready for harvest. At harvest time, fully grown frogs weighing between 0.5 and 1.2 kilograms are ready to be brought ashore. Farmers begin the harvesting process by using specialized nets, carefully capturing each frog from the ponds. On average, each pond can yield between 1 to 3 tons of frogs, an impressive figure that highlights the vast potential of this industry. The harvesting process is not only a crucial step in frog farming, but also a testament to the care, skill, and dedication of the farmers. Each step is meticulously carried out to ensure the highest quality. After being captured, the frogs are transferred to a cleaning system to remove dirt and impurities from their bodies, ensuring they remain in optimal condition. The cleaning water is maintained at a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius to minimize stress on the frogs. Next, each frog is sorted by size and weight, with the healthiest specimens, weighing between 0.8 and 1.2 kilograms, selected for export to international markets. After being harvested, each frog undergoes a professional cleaning process. The outer skin and internal organs are carefully removed, leaving only the high-quality white meat, the most prized part of the frog. This process requires precision and skill to ensure the meat remains fresh and safe for consumption. Frog meat, after processing, not only serves the domestic market, but is also exported to countries such as France, Singapore, and the United States. In these markets, frog meat is considered a high-end delicacy, renowned for its exceptional nutritional value and unique flavor. Meeting the stringent requirements of international markets is a testament to the quality and professionalism of the frog meat processing industry, elevating this product onto the global culinary map. Next, frog meat is packaged in a sterile environment using modern equipment to meet food safety standards. The packages are carefully sealed and labeled with expiration dates and storage instructions, ensuring quality and convenience for consumers. Frog meat has become a symbol of Chinese cuisine, featured in a variety of signature dishes. Crispy fried frog, golden, crunchy, and full of rich flavors. Stir-fried frog with lemongrass and chili, a spicy and aromatic dish paired with the natural sweetness of frog meat. Spicy grilled frog, perfectly charred with a smoky aroma, paired with a spicy marinade that enhances the natural flavor of the meat. Whether served in family meals or at high-end restaurants, frog meat holds a special place in Chinese cuisine thanks to its nutritional value and unique taste. The frog farming industry faces significant challenges, from environmental pollution to rising feed costs. However, Modern technology is gradually addressing these issues, optimizing farming processes and reducing environmental impact. Global demand for frog meat continues to rise, creating vast opportunities for this industry to grow sustainably while catering to both domestic and international markets. Frog farming is a blend of tradition and innovation, delivering economic value and unique culinary experiences. From tranquil frog ponds to delicious dishes served at the table, this is a story of creativity and relentless effort. What about you? If given the chance, would you be willing to try a dish made from frog meat? Share your thoughts with us.